With our program, the two biggest things that most people hear about us in the marketplace. For buyers, we will make sure that you don't just get stuck in any home. You will love the home you're in, or we will step in and buy it back from you or sell it for free. For sellers, we guarantee your home will sell. That's a big separator between us and other agents. We set a date, a time frame for your property up front, and if it doesn't sell, I step in and buy it. Also for sellers, we offer flexible commissions, the right to sell it yourself, and if you're not happy, you can fire us at any time. We guarantee our satisfaction with our customers, earn it every single day. For sellers, I have over 3,100 buyers in my database. With having been ranked in the top 5 in the nation for selling volume, you're going to have one of the most experienced agents. I'm not a high-pressure guy. I'm going to give you honest advice. I'm going to help you maximize the profit in the home you buy or sell, and I'm reachable.
My husband and I were thinking about selling a rental property that we owned, and we saw an ad on CNN. We was very impressed by it, so we gave him a call. We found him to be very professional, and he worked with us very well. I would recommend Jared because of his professionalism, and I would recommend that you go to him. I think you would find a very successful deal.
He did a very good job. I recommend him 100%. He does an outstanding job.
If you're looking for an agent who's going to be there for you every step of the way, give me a call, or searching my website, finding access to all the homes in the area, click the link below.